Hello everyone, and in this video I will talk about Revolut versus Monzo versus Wise, and we will see the overview, Revolut pros and cons, why you should choose Revolut, Monzo pros and cons, why you should choose Monzo, Wise pros and cons, why you should choose Wise, and the conclusion. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Overview. Wise, Monzo and Revolut, the key players in the UK's digital banking revolution, are not just making headlines for their disruptive objectives, they are also grabbing attention for their recent massive funding rounds. These players, united in their mission to shake up the banking sector, employ innovative strategies tailored to their strengths. But let's cut to the chase. Who's got the best deals, the lowest fees, top-notch exchange rates for local use, and the ideal offer for global transaction? We've got you covered with a comparison of Wise, Monzo and Revolut, breaking down their pros and cons and which one is the best choice for you. Revolut. Waving the flag for London's fintech hub, this digital bank recently made a splash with a colossal funding round, shooting up to an impressive valuation of $33 billion. Now proudly holding the crown as the leading fintech startup in the UK and the second largest in Europe. Established in 2015, this unicorn of the fintech world boasts a customer base of around 2 million across 42 countries. What makes it stand out? It's the pioneer platform allowing users to convert money into cryptocurrencies. But that's not all. Users can also score cash back on any purchase made with their stylish metal card. Plus, it's buddies with both Google Pay and Apple Pay, making it a fintech standout that's both cutting edge and user friendly. Revolut pros and cons. Pros. Provides a variety of current account options, savings feature with vaults, free money transfer to other user, no foreign exchange fees for overseas spending, convenient bill splitting feature, allows user to buy, sell and hold cryptocurrencies. Cons. Limited cash withdrawals amounts, absence of saving account for overdrafts. Transfer may take 3 to 5 working days unless you have a premium or metal account. Why you should choose Revolut? Revolut strives to simplify access to money regardless of your global location. This makes it particularly suitable for expatriates, frequent travelers, and businesses professionals with demanding schedules. While Revolut has concentrated on broadening its international reach, Monzo, established in 2015, has directed its efforts toward the technological advancement. Employing a unique strategy, Monzo focuses on a single product with a UK-centric approach. Notably, its funding round in February 2016, raising £1 million, earned the title of the quickest crowdfunding campaign in history, hitting its target in just 96 seconds. Recently catering to 2 million users, Monzo has gained a significant popularity, especially among the younger demographic. A recent addition to its offering is a Monzo Plus, an exclusive premium account requiring a monthly fee of £3, and it also supports Google Pay and Apple Pay. Monzo pros and cons. Pros. Provides a selection of 4 account types. Pots feature allow for saving with the opportunity to earn up to 1.5% AER interest. Free international transaction as a standard offering, convenient bill splitting feature. Cons. Imposes a 3% fee on cash withdrawals exceeding £200 per month. Daily cash withdrawal capped at £400, monthly limit set at £5,500. Why you should choose Monzo? Tailored for the younger demographic, this platform stands out with its user-friendly interface and functionalities that simplify saving, budgeting, and financial management. The inclusion of the pods feature further enhances its appeal, particularly for those with specific financial goals. Wise. Taking the title of the elder statesman in the group, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, made its debut in 2011. Boasting a vast clientele of over 10 million individuals and businesses, the platform handles a staggering £5 billion in cross-border transactions each month. Wise pros and cons. Pros. Provides a no-fee account option, ensures fair transaction using the mid-market rate, streamlined and straightforward sign-up process, introduced batch payment for business convenience, feature a borderless. Wise pros and cons. Pros. Provides a no-fee account option, ensures fair transaction using the mid-market rate, streamlined and straightforward sign-up process, introduce batch payment for business convenience, feature a borderless account. Cons. lacks the option for cash, checks, payout, and deposit, employs a percentage-based system for transfer fees. Transaction fees range between 0.3% and 0.7%, potentially leading to higher fees for larger transactions. Why you should choose Wise? Wise provides a versatile solution ideal for companies with a worldwide footprint. The platform gives the possibility to initiate multiple transactions through a single file upload. This makes it the optimal choice for businesses engaged in high-frequency money transfers. Whether you are an employer making payments for remote global teams or a business professional conducting transactions with international partners, Wise stands out as the top choice. Conclusions. As users navigate the landscape of these digital banking platforms, the choice boils down to individual priorities, usage patterns, and the specific financial goals one seeks to achieve. Revolut, with its global reach, suits the international traveler. Monzo, with its innovative feature, attracts the tech-savvy demographic. Wise, emphasizing transparency, appeals to businesses with international financial operations. Each platform, with its unique set of strengths and consideration, caters to a different facet of the modern financial landscape. The onus lies on the user to carefully assess their requirements, weigh the pros and cons, and select the platform that aligns seamlessly with their financial vision and lifestyle. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.